Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Moyashi Ohitashi, bean sprout salad with mustard dressing and sesame seeds. It is a refreshing, nice small side dish and it goes well with any kind of Japanese meals. These are the ingredients. Ohitashi means soaked. Cooked vegetables are marinated in some kind of sauce, usually soy sauce and dashi. Spinach ohitashi is more well known and popular, but today we are using bean sprouts and vinegary soy sauce with Japanese yellow mustard. For more information about the ingredients and complete recipe, please visit our website japanesecooking101.com. First, we boil bean sprouts, just for 2 minutes, not to overcook. Strain and set aside. Next, we are making the sauce. Grind the sesame seeds and add the seasonings, rice vinegar, soy sauce, sugar, and some Japanese yellow mustard called karashi, and mix well. Japanese mustard is quite spicy, so adjust the amount depending on your spice tolerance. Add the cooked bean sprouts to the sauce and mix. You can make this ahead of time and keep it in the fridge for a couple of days. If you are going to eat right away, let sit for 30 minutes at least in the fridge. Moyashi Ohitashi is so easy to make, and it's a great side dish to make ahead or add at the last minute. Hope you give this a try.
美味しい。美味しいね。